So students, today I am going to start a very important topic, Ohm's law, right? So very important, very famous German scientist George Simon Ohm in 1826 invented a very beautiful relationship between voltage and current, and according to Ohm's law, the current passing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the conductor, provided the temperature remains constant. This is a very important point. Provided temperature remains constant, right? Now, to remove this sign of proportionality, I will write I equals to 1 upon R into V, or I equals to V upon R, therefore V equals to I R. So this is what? This is Ohm's law, right? This relationship basically gives you the idea about Ohm's law, where R is the constant, right? Which is also called a resistance of the conductor. So R is the constant, which is also called a resistance of the conductor. Called a resistance of the conductor. Now, from the relationship of Ohm's law, we can conclude two very important points. First one is I proportional to V, right? So, if you increase the voltage, that is the potential difference between the ends of the wire, current also increases. If the potential difference between the wire gets doubled, current also gets doubled. If the potential difference across the end of the conductor gets halved, current also gets halved, right? Now, the second important relationship, the conclusion which we can have is that if the potential difference across the conductor kept constant, then this current will be inversely proportional to R. See, here I equals to V by R. V is what? V is the potential difference, and if this potential difference is kept constant, then I will be reciprocal to R, right? So here when the resistance gets doubled, current gets halved.